Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching JunkWorks DIY Garage. Well, as you can see, I have some scanners out here because I need to do some work on one of my cars. But beyond that point, on this scanner here, I leave these little plastic things on until they just get so bad that you can't see, and then I'll peel them back off. This one's starting to come off. Sometimes they do that, just fall off. And then I got my dad's old scanner here, and it's already kind of scratched up. And we had a couple of these from old cell phones. They're the protector covers, and I have one here that we ordered up and it was broke. But anyway, kind of was looking at this, and really if I can figure out a way to kind of cut this down a little bit, it won't be perfect, but that'll actually fit on there and protect that screen at least for quite a while longer, I'm hoping. Also, one of these, I think it was this one here, which isn't quite as hard. This one's more hard. This one's kind of more of soft plastic. So this one I think I could cut down. I may do that, and we'll see. But it came with some of these right here, and I messed with one, and they're kind of a light blue. These light blue ones kind of similar to what's on here already. So I'm actually going to take one of those and actually just put on here, because I definitely can put that on there and take a razor blade and cut around it. But anyways, I thought it was kind of a, I guess, cool little tip or trick. If you have these scanners and you want to take care of the ones you have, maybe they're getting a little scratched up, or any other kind of, tools like this, that you could take old cell phone screen covers here and maybe adapt them to these. So a little tip and trick there. If you like videos like these, go check out my channel. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching JunkWorks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.